So now let's move to the monitoring part of ALCMS. It provides us with information about each individual light. So we can collect data from lights and we can present it to maintenance and technical team. So let's see what kind of data is available to user for each individual light. You can see there is a group threshold end with lamp number 2. Lamp battery level is 100%. Light is online, which means there is a communication between control unit and the light itself. Light is currently off. Temperature is almost 50 degrees Celsius. Light is being charged from the solar panel and charging efficiency is 20%. Why 20%? Well, since battery is 100%, the solar charger decreases its efficiency automatically not to overcharge the battery. You can see also other parameters that are available. There are many of those, and for those who would like to see full details, you can click on more details right here and you can see up to 17 parameters for every individual light.